Hello everyone, I'm Iketut Astawa from Polytechnic Negeri Bali. I'm very happy participating the 12th Global Conference on Business and Social Science 2021. Today, I would like to present my paper with the title Impact of Green Supply Chain Management Practices on Competitive Advantage and Organizational Performance at 5-star hotels in Bali. Here is my presentation agenda. There are groups of consumers including greater environmentalism, male customers of luxury or mid-price hotels who are more inclined to pay premium for green hotels. According to some studies, female and older hotels customers had a higher willingness to pay premiums for green practices. In general, more concerned consumers staying in green hotels are often willing to pay more, though they also focus on the importance of green hotels information and certification and the experience of staying at a green hotel. Nowadays, tourists often choose hotels that consistently implement environmentally friendly business practices. Environmentally friendly management is one factor that promotes tourists to select certain accommodation. Therefore, the concept of sustainability accommodation needs to apply the principle of environmental conservation, education, ecology, community empowerment, and utilization of local products and minimize environmental damage. As an effective competitive strategy, the goal of green supply chain management is to integrate both information and material flows seamlessly across the supply chain. The research problem for this study, there are three. Number one, whether the green supply chain management practices of the 5-star hotels in Bali affect organizational performance. Number two, whether the green supply chain practices of 5-star hotels in Bali affect competitive advantage. And number three, whether the competitive advantage affects organizational performance. Therefore, this study aims to empirically test hypotheses that identify the relationship between green supply chain management practices, competitive advantage, and organizational performance in 5-star hotels in Bali. The theory support in this study, this research, consists of green supply chain management practices. In this study, green supply chain management practices are in line with the hospitality industry, including strategic supplier partnership, customer relationship, and the quality of information sharing to be included in the research framework. And then competitive advantage, the aspect of the competitive advantage construct used in this study include price or cost, quality, delivery dependability, product innovation, and time to market. And then organizational performance in this study, organizational performance in line with the previous study, measured through marketing and financial performance parameters. Here are our hypotheses and research design. The central construct in the second order, those are green supply chain management practices, competitive advantage, and organizational performance. For green supply chain management practice, reflected by strategic supplier partnership, customer relationship, quality of information sharing, and competitive advantage, reflected by price or cost, quality, delivery dependability, product innovation, and time to market, and organizational reflected by marketing performance, financial performance. The population of the for the study included operational staff, supervisors, middle and top managers of 5-star hotels in Bali. The study used purposive sampling and a total of 145 responses completed. And SAM PLS 3.3 is the data processing instrument applied for the further analysis. The process of data collection include observation, interview, and questionnaire of the selected samples. Moreover, construct relating to green supply chain management practices, competitive advantage, and organizational performance were measured by a 5-point Likert scale ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Here are the results of the analysis. Key findings: the coefficient of the green supply chain management practice main path to organization performance is positive at value of 0.340 units. This shows that green supply chain management practice positively affect organization performance. The higher the green supply chain practice, the higher the organization performance. Furthermore, the increases in each unit of green supply chain management practice increase organization performance by 0.340 unit. This is significant at the p-value less than 0.05. And the coefficient of the green supply chain practice main path to the competitive advantage is also positive at 0.731 units. This is significant at p-value less than 0.05. And then the coefficient of the structural model of the main path competitive advantage to organization performance is also positive at 0.489 units. This indicates that competitive advantage positively affect organization performance. This is significant at p-value less than 0.05. Based on the conceptual framework form, it can be assumed that there is an intervening effect between green supply chain practice, competitive advantage, and organization performance. Specifically, the competitive advantage is an intervening variable that mediates the effect of green supply chain management practice on organization performance. The higher the green supply chain management practice, the higher the competitive advantage. Consequently, the higher the competitive advantage, the higher the organization performance. The evidence is reinforced by the indirect influence, the statistic value of 5.147 greater than 1.96 at the p-value less than 0.05, meaning that the indirect effect is significant. The results show that competitive advantage mediates the relationship between green supply chains management practice and organization performance. Conclusion: green supply chain management practice of 5-star hotels in Bali have a significant positive effect on organizational performance. This means that a high level of green supply chain management practice supports organizational performance and positively and significantly affect competitive advantage. Green supply chain management practices of 5-star hotel in Bali have significant positive effect on competitive advantage. Furthermore, competitive advantage has a positive and significant effect on organizational performance. According to the result, competitive advantage mediates the relationship between green supply chains management practice and organizational performance. Therefore, green supply chain management practices for 5-star hotels in Bali is an effective competitive advantage strategy. Here are the recommendation for future research, and one of them is researchers must focus on the challenges of implementing green purchases by companies incorporated into the hotel, bar, and restaurant business. Here are our reference. Well, that's all my presentation. Thank you.